Are you aspiring to financial independence, choices in retirement, or maybe you want to leave a legacy? Hi, Uwe Jacobs, founder and owner of Property Friends. I have a 25-year corporate background in commercial project management of large infrastructure projects up to $1.3 billion. Have been a property investor myself for over 19 years and have helped several families to get to a net asset property portfolio of over $1 million. Too many people start at the wrong end when they want to get into property investing. They look around at what is available in the neighborhood suburbs or talk to an agent or buyer's advocate who looks at what they have on their stock list. We ought to start at the other end with where are we at? Then we look at where do we want to go? And then, and only then, can we find the best way of getting there. That is how I, as a property strategist, can assist you to get to the right end result. Because we start off with where do we want to end up? Makes sense, doesn't it? Our benchmark for any investment is very, very simple. If it wouldn't be good enough for ourselves, no one gets to know about it. That way, we can provide you with accurate, unbiased investment guidance, training and opportunity, and mitigate risk. I encourage you to book a discovery call so that we can check out how best we can assist you. The link is on the website, propertyfriends.com.au.